ni Mr. sa church kasi dito sa Lebanon is Ash Monday. Start na po ang Lent season natin. Lent season na po. Ash Monday po dito sa Lebanon. So, ayan. Samahan nyo kami. Kulimlim ngayon dito. Ash Monday dito sa Lebanon. Farm ito ng Atis. Yan, ito guys. Farm ng Atis Garden. Yan, tapos na po. Hello po. Good afternoon. Andito na naman si Mami Laura. So, nakaluto na po ako. Nag-rush po ako na nagluto kasi kanina yun na nga, after kami pumunta sa church, bauli kami ng stuff, gulay, and yung gagamitin ko sa pag-bake. So ngayon, magluluto ako, ipaprepare ko lang itong food namin ng lunch, and mag-prepare po ako ng pizza sauce. Kasi nga yung ginawa kong sauce, may natira pa naman, pero hindi ko na yun ilalagay kasi ayaw nila yung maanghang. So, hindi ko ito itatapon. Ang gagawin ko para sa amin, para sa bahay, mga bata. Kumakain naman sila ng spices. So, konti na lang natira. So, hindi ko ito itatapon. Gagawa na lang ako ng bago na hindi ko lalagyan ng spices. Yung ano. Ay, kasi guys, trinay ko lang kasi dito naman sa Lebanon, kumakain sila ng maanghang. Sabi ni Mr. hindi daw lahat gusto ang maanghang. Ang nangyari kasi, naengganyo ako sa amoy ng oil. Ay, eto yung pre-serve kong tawag nito, tomato. Wala, hindi maanghang pala siya kasi nga nilagyan ko siya ng hot pepper noong ginawa ko. Masarap kasi yung amoy guys ng oil na na-preserve siya ng mga spices, lalo pag may garlic and mga oregano, ganon. Naku, ang sarap. Nilagyan ko, yun yung pinanggisa ko. Ay, maanghang pala. Mga bata naman, gusto naman nila yung anghang. Pero, yung iba, sabi ng asawa ko, gusto nila yung maanghang. Merong 3 lang talaga nagreklamo. Sabi nila, daw, bakit manghang? Iniiba daw namin yung yung lasa. At sabi ni Mr. okay, sorry. Pinalitan na lang daw ni Mr. ng chocolate. Pero binayaran din naman. Kainin mo na lang tong chocolate, sabi ni Mr. para matanggal yung anghang sa bunganga mo. Kaya yun. Ay nako, instead sabi nga ni Mr. buti nga kasi nakabenta pa ako sa kanila ng chocolate. Ay nako, pati yung sa kabila kay Sir. Sabi niya, mayroon ding 2 at ang nagreklamo na maanghang. yung iba gusto daw. Sabi ni Mr. wag mo nang lagyan ng manghang kasi hindi pare-parehas ang panlasa ng mga tao. Sabi niya, okay. Sabi ko naman. Nag-sorry na lang ako. Sabi ko, pasensya. Gusto ko lang naman gumawa ng bagong taste ba. Sa Mr. ko, sabi niya, okay lang na manghang. Hindi naman gano'n na manghang. Ewan ko ba guys. Diba yung mga sandwich nga, nilalagyan nila yun ng, ng manghang, yung spices at sauce. Pero alam nyo, iba kasi pag ewan ko baka iba yung sanay sila sa dating original na taste and then bigla kong nilagyan ng maanghang. Kaya na nibago sila. Ayun, so mamaya ulit maggawa kami ng maggawa ako mamayang gabi ng order na naman at saka kay Mr. So yun. Ayan, ito pala ang lunch namin. Beans. Nilagyan ko ng sobra yung coriander. And then, mag-rice tayo. Lebanese rice, ayan. And yung salad natin. Yun lang. Dito lang dalawa. Gulatin natin siya. Sila. Ang sarap.
I can't breathe in the bus. Hello, mommy. Hello, mommy. I was about to pass out. I was about to eat.
You didn't eat your sandwich?
In the morning. I was about to faint because I couldn't breathe. It's good?
Yes. See?
Why does yours look like... You know the one cross of Mary, they put it for her, it was like the upside down cross. I removed it for her. And mommy? Mary. They made it her the upside down cross.
Who made that? The priest?
No. Our Arabic teacher.
Mommy,
Mommy,
the
look,
Arabic...
is mine still good?
Yeah.
Mine is still perfect. Mine is still perfect.
Let's eat now.
Mine
Yes.
is still perfect.
Yes, my love. Wala na ata sa akin nabura. Ay, hindi, meron pa.
The whole second recess I was there with. They were sitting in front of the church.
But then,
We were talking, that's it.
what you Ayan, ito yung salad natin.
Hala, I want to go to the toilet. This time, it was not awkward, and we actually had something to talk about.
What about? About to?
Basically, I couldn't eat. I wanted to eat. Hala, in front of my friends, I eat. Especially a sandwich, I would eat. But I could not eat in front of her. I was too shy to eat. I only drank the
Why? Eat, Mama. Show.
I don't like to eat in front of her. It's okay. Others okay, but hey, no.
You must
I have to keep a good.
You must ask him. Let's eat. That's it.
Sure. No, I was the only one eating. I don't think he is fasting. I don't know if he is. So I ate my sandwich on the bed and I had to stay outside class and continue eating it. Because I couldn't eat in front of him.
Ready come and make pasty?
Yeah.
Bravo.
I think half of the stuff is kind of fasting. مش on time when they're fasting. Sometimes they only fast on food. So we were then talking. And then I don't know what they call it. Like, he told me if he ever meets you, he wants to see you.
Me? Why?
Because I did tell him, I tell my mom about you.
Why he wants to meet me, Anne?
And then
Did he
was
know
like,
that I'm Filipina?
a kid. And then he said, tell me a few words in your language. I was like, I don't know. I was like,
Kumusta?
I told her. It's like, how do you say hi, how are you? I told her, kumusta. Means hi and how are you. Basically, it's 2 and 1. And then if you see my mom, you say kumusta and you do that.
Kumusta yan, Mano? Hey,
But then he's not gonna do this to me. He's gonna do that to you.
like this. Let's
next time I will tell.
Kumusta, like this.
And tomorrow I will tell. To respect
Tell
your
him,
elders.
like this is to respect
Yeah.
them.
But basically, and I don't think you and it. And then I
Tell
told
him,
him,
okay, that's it.
then I told Sumaya what happened, and I told her you usually do like this, and then Lily was like, you think your mom will let him do like this too? I'm like, well, I don't know. so I told him to do like this, like this.
I will make.
And I thought he's probably gonna do like this to you or kiss your hand. And I will tell him tomorrow. Yes.
Just
He said this is if he meets you. I hope he does.
why he wants to meet me?
But then
Just do my first time.
I think
Makipag-meet
his
sa
mom will be with him coming.
bata.
If his mom will be with him, she will not come.
Why he wants to meet me? Ask him first. My mom asked me.
And then like they say raise up or pick up, like, okay, and then he told me there's something down on your shoe. I looked down and then he told me your smile is so nice. I don't know what to say. I was like, what is it?
Luko-luko tong lalaking to ha. He just manligaw sa nanay.
Oh, and he bought me sneakers again.
Naliligaw kay Kia. Siya yan. Gusto niya daw ako mamit. Naku. Nakalokang mga bata. Diyos ko. Lalak ko nga dati. Tawa ako. Hey guys, ito na po yung sauce natin. Hindi ko na binago yung dati kong ingredients kasi yun na nga, gumamit ako ng hot oil. Ayaw pala nila yung iba. So, olive oil pa rin na normal yung nilagay ko. So, okay na ito. Kasi ito kasi yung nakasanayan ng iba guys. Sabi ni Mr. okay lang sana kung ano, yung mga tao parehas ng panglasa, ayaw daw nila ng maanghang, kaya okay na din. Kaya sabi ni Mr. gawin mo yung datihan, sabi niya, wag mong baguhin yung ingredients na nilalagay mo kasi nakasanayan na nila yung dati, kasi nga nasa panlasa na nila, and then bigla kong binago. May nagreklamo na iba. Pero yung iba naman, gusto din nila na manghang. Pero sabi ni Mr. gawin mo yung dati, sabi niya. So, ito, ginawa ko yung dati. Gumamit po ako ng pure na olive oil. Okay. Ayan, okay na po siya. Palamigin na natin. Ayan, mamaya ko gagamitin. Lalabas ay pupunta kami sa church kasi ang mga bata schedule, lalo ngayon Ash Monday dito sa Lebanon, may misa 6 o'clock. Yan, pagdating ko eksakto malamig na siya. Okay, mag shower lang ako guys. Ayan, okay na. Nangangamoy pizza sa bahay dahil sa sauce. Dahil sa mga spices, yung ang nagpapabango yung oregano at saka basil. Dry po ang gamit ko, hindi po siya fresh na basil at saka oregano. Yan, kita nyo ba yung green? Mas matapang siguro pag fresh yung yung natin, yung basil. Wala akong tanim na basil. Meron pala nasa paso, maliit pa lang siya. Ayan. Yan na. Tabuli for Mr. at Kian. At night. And potato. And arak.
Yalla, Kian.
Cheers daw, sir. Sabi ni Mr. Jolly. Sir Abed.
Cheers, Abed and wife.
They are watching from America. Ayan. Arak yan, Lebanese liquor.
Yeah.
Ang baho yan. Ayoko ng amoy, sobra. Matapang yung amoy yan. Ayan, magbibik na naman tayo. Sir Abu.
Yalla, you
Hi guys, itsura ko kasi dilalamig ako. Ayan, oh. Yan na yung first dough natin. Order ni Mr. Dalawang Mr. ay Spanish. Spanish ngayon, walang pandikoko, walang pandesal. So parehas po silang Spanish. Close natin itong pintana kasi malamig. Sobrang lamig guys, malalamig ako. Mga anak ko, hindi. Ano nangyari sa camera? Ay, brown out guys. Brown out sa Lebanon. So, naghugas na po tayo ng kamay. Ayan. Kailangan kong tanggalin yung hot water. Dito pala sa Lebanon, yung mga hindi nakakaalam po, dalawa po ang nagsusupply sa kuryente nila. Isa po ay generator and yung normal current ng yung tawag ito, yung government current. Bihira lang po yung government current na dumating sa isang araw. So usually dalawang binabayaran namin, motor, yung generator and electric government current, kuryente. Ayan. So maghilo ulit tayo. Minsan natatantya ko yung measurement, minsan hindi. Para ako naglalaro dito, mga kapitbahay. Nakaka-enjoy din naman ano. Ito nagpapatagal sa akin pero okay lang. Dapat sakto talaga. Okay, para pare-parehas. Hi guys, hello po. Ngayon lang ulit nag-vlog kasi inasikaso ko itong order. Ito na po yung ating natapos. Ayan. 30 pieces ito. 30 pieces din ito. Order ito. Ito naman yung tinda ni Mr. 30 din. Spanish ang order niya. So, ayan. Tapos na. Ito, tatlo lang din ang tatlong putahe lang din ito. Pizza, satar, and then yung cheese. Yan. Kaiser ito. Tapos na din ako. And syempre, binalot ko din yung para sa mga bata. Baon nila bukas. Sabi ko, bigyan nila yung kaklase nila. Ayan. Yung mga kaibigan ba? Friend siya yun. At yan. Tapos na ako guys. Thank God. Oh. Hindi ko na pinakita kung paano ako maggawa kasi. What are you? Hmm?